Facebook and Instagram ads can sometimes get really overwhelming, as you need to agonize over several things like your ad strategy, your advert copy, your creatives, and even the right audience to target, and also the amount of budget that you should be using. Well, what if there's a tool that can actually think for you and do all the hard stuff like writing several ad copies that are guaranteed to get you clicks and leads and purchases, and also suggest top performing audiences for you? All you need to do for this tool is to enter simple details like your website URL and it will get to work. This new AI tool is revolutionizing the way that we run Facebook and Instagram ads. And we're going to be talking about this tool in this tutorial. Before we go on, hi there, my name is Mary Adelaire and this is Smart Skills Up TV. Here we talk a whole lot on sales, marketing and advertising. And if you're stumbling on this video for the first time, you're new to this channel, please don't leave watching this video without hitting on the subscribe button and also turning on the notification bell so that you won't miss out when we post similar videos just like this one. And without further ado, let's get into my laptop and I will show you more about this tool and how you can start using it right now to start getting great results for your ad spend. So the name of this AI tool is called Lexi AI. So when you go to Google or your browser, just type in Lexi AI and it's going to be bringing out these options. So you're going to be seeing it like this because they are currently running an ad. So you just click on the first search result and let's get into the website to explore how it works. All right, so this is Lexi AI. So the thing with this tool is that for you to use it efficiently, you need to have a website URL, meaning that you would need to be running ads to a landing page or a website or a sales page, right? So if you're one of those people who like to run WhatsApp ad, you don't have a landing page, this may actually not work for you because it depends on, the information on your landing page or on your website or on your sales page, whatever the platform that you're using to create that landing page is on, whether it's WordPress or System.io or any of these page builders. It depends on the information on that platform to be able to give you information that you're going to be using for your ad, right? So it says one link, one click, winning ads in a blink. I told you. All right, so what we need to do is to create an account. I don't already have an account yet, but let's see if it's going to be working without an account. All right, so it says launch and optimize meta campaigns effortlessly to maximize sales and return on investment. So you're going to be entering your URL, your website URL here, and then click on get started. So I'm going to go on to enter my own website URL and I'll click on get started and let's see what happens next. So what happens next is that it asks me to create an account. So I'm going to go on to create an account with my Google account. Okay, great. So this is what happens after we have signed up, right? So it brings us to this interface and says, which page would you like to promote? It doesn't have to be a home page. Share the exact link to your product or service, and Lexi will create the perfect ad for you. In this instance, I'm actually using my homepage, my website's homepage, right? Because I don't exactly have a landing page right now. So I'm just going to click on start your ad campaign and let's see what happens next. All right, so it's going to be going through this process of analyzing the website and then, analyzing it for hidden insights and then giving us all the juicy information to ensure that our ad is going to be working. Okay, great. So after analyzing our website, it came up with this information. So this is the page name that we want to promote. So this is the page URL we want to promote. Then it's going to be giving our project a name, which you can actually change, right? Then it gave us a breakdown here of the entire content of the website. So brand introduction, product or service description, and selling points. So a creative marketing and advertising agency based in Abuja, Nigeria, dedicated to driving massive visibility and So this is it, analyzing our website and also pinpointing our target audience, right? So this is great. So if you don't know the exact audience to target for your ad, right? If you're agonizing over that, using this tool is actually going to help you. It also brought us our selling point, our process description. So it's going to be analyzing your website based on the information that is provided there. All right, so let's see further details. All right, so ad plan. So it's actually brought out different ad objective that we can actually use that is going to give us the better results. So it brought out traffic, leads, and sales, right? And it says that traffic to leads is going to be the better option. Then it also gave us a start date and an end date. So it says you can start this ad from the 1st of June to the 9th. Then for cities and countries to advertise, I'm going to click on it and enter Nigeria, and yeah, just Nigeria. And then I'm going to go on to click on generate proposal. So after you click on generate proposal, it brings you to this interface, right? With even more details. So it actually gave us ideas to work with, right? So it created up to 3 ad sets for us. So your ad set is that point where you get to create your audience and also select your placements and all that. So it generated 3 ad sets for us, and in each of the ad sets, it actually generated the kind of audience that we can actually use, right? So in the first ad set, it says that we can, target established business owners who fall within this age bracket, and we can actually spend this amount. So the location is Nigeria and all. So it also generated ad copies for us, right? So let's click on the ad copy to see. So it's quite tiny. So it says dominate your industry with data-driven ads and all that. So you can see how amazing this tool really is, right? So it also now went on to describe the audience for us. Then for the audience tag, it gave us details of the interest and demographics that we can actually enter into our ad manager and all. So the thing I actually noticed is that this tool can actually help you to, you can publish your ad directly from this interface. So the only thing that is actually missing is the image. So you can actually click to upload your image directly or your video directly. So instead of actually using the Meta Business Manager, right, you can actually go on to run your ad from this platform. So I think that for people who don't have a laptop, who always have the issue of running ads from their mobile phone, even if I've done several tutorials to address this, you can actually do this on your mobile phone and still get away with running amazing ads that actually work. So all you just need to do is to either upload an image or a video and click on save and assign, and after you're done, you can just go on to publish your ad. That is for the first ad set. All right, and then for the second ad set, you can click on it to see the different details of it. So there is also a different copy for this ad set. So it's more like one campaign and then 3 different ad sets with 3 different ad copies and creatives, right? So this makes everything easy and efficient for you. All right, so like I said, the name of this tool is called Lexi AI or Lexi.ai. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this particular tutorial so that you can go to click on it directly and explore this tool for yourself and see how it can work for you. If you're skeptical about publishing your ads directly from here, you can actually go on to take all the information that it provides for you and transfer them to your ads manager and still go on to run your ad from there, right? So nothing broken, nothing missing, right? It's still going to be the same result, right? So for the budget, if you're not sure about this budget, I think you can actually go on to edit the budget as well from the top or maybe from the previous page. All right, and then one of the things I see a drawback to this particular platform is the fact that you can only pay for your ad in dollars, right? So I haven't used this tool to publish my ad directly from here before, but you can go on to try to publish your ad from here and see how it's going to work for you in terms of payments. All right, and thank God you can actually get to explore this yourself. Please go on to do that. The link is in the description of this tutorial. If you've gained value from this tutorial, if you've learned something new, please go to the comment section and type, I have learned something new. Thank you very much, Mary Adele, for bringing this to our notice. And I'll be glad to respond to your comments, all right? And until next time, bye for now.